The most valuable companies use these business methods to grow 2 times faster than the average. Companies using design thinking and agile project management typically achieve 30% higher efficiency and customer satisfaction, making them overall 5 to 10 times faster. Until now, using these business methods required expensive consulting services or multiple software subscriptions. But with the Business Brain Notion app, the most effective business and productivity methods are now unified into one powerful system. Now I'll show you the design thinking method. You can use this framework to develop products, create marketing strategies, and solve any kind of business problem. First, understand your users. Conduct interviews, observations, or surveys to gather insights into their needs, challenges, and desires. Next, define the problem by turning your insights into a clear problem statement. This helps focus on the core issue you need to solve. Then, brainstorm as many ideas as possible. Be creative and open to all possibilities. Now, create quick prototypes of your ideas to explore solutions without worrying about perfection. Finally, test your prototypes with real users, gather feedback, and refine your design. The key to design thinking is iteration. Continuously evolve your solution based on user feedback until it truly meets the needs of your users. An agile approach will help you successfully execute these steps. Break your project into smaller, manageable sprints and tasks. Assign responsibilities and regularly review progress to ensure fast execution. Whether you're developing products, creating content, managing clients, or leading a team, the Business Brain from Adrian's Notes provides everything you need. Get it now with the link in the description. To learn more about Notion, check out this video.